Hello guys. In this video I will try just to present a new a quick strategy that it is based on my own strategy, but it is shorter. So when we go through this strategy, we don't stay that long. Now our stay is predetermined by some criteria. Okay, so we stay as long as we see money coming. When there is no money, we just exit. Now in this strategy you can use stop loss, or if you don't want to use it, don't use it, but understand that using stop loss is just a matter of risk management. Okay, if you want to trade without stop loss, if you have stop loss in your mind, it's okay, and you know when to exit, or you calculate everything about this, it's very good. But if you don't want to use a stop loss, there is more risk. Understand that. When you are a beginner, you will never understand fully what does it mean, or you don't, or you always feel frustrated that sometimes the price goes down, it hits your stop loss, and then the stock will go up. Okay? But understand that in the market, it happens only one day in a month or 2 months or in the year, where you put all your money in one stock, and that day was or will be like the other days where the market has lost a lot, and then you lose a big chunk of your money. Now this a chunk of your money, you will see that all what you have traded good and you have profits, you see that all your profits has gone, and maybe some of your money. And this you will experience it, because there are a lot of people, even with a well-made strategy. Okay, it helps you understand the market, but it will never make you successful. Why? Because success is from you. Okay, you should work on it. It needs time, and I always repeat the same thing. It needs from 1 to 2 years to begin really to become making money from the market. But this is with hard work and with winning trades and losing trades, and this is how everyone is doing. But some people of you who are just beginners, maybe you have never traded, maybe you have traded for 1 year or some months, they want what? They want something that it is a sure thing. I do this, I do this, I do this, and then I have money. It will never happen like this in the market. Okay, there is not something that it will be successful 100%, because you are looking for something that doesn't exist in the trading market. It doesn't exist. So how can you make it by yourself and you believe in it? It's like you create something. It's like this kind of like aliens or whatever. They create something and they believe in it. So, and they ask people to believe. Okay, if I don't see alien, I will not believe. Okay, just an example. So this strategy is very concise. It's very small. It doesn't need any indicator. As I told you before, I don't use indicator. If you want to use them, use them. If you make money with them, okay, that's good for you. But for me, I don't use these indicators because if there is one that is good, okay, we have more than 300 indicators. Okay, indicators are because the people, they don't understand what is an indicator. It's just a small strategy that one person has made, and he make it like a software, or as an indicator. Is just calculating prices of the past, so it's always old information. Okay, and a lot of people, they use and they think that it will help, but for me, I don't see any help from it because it's old information. Now, what we are going to do in this strategy, we're going to see something else that we can rely on, and it's always the price only. Okay, we don't use other things, and it will be very simple because when you see the price, you act on the price. Okay, you don't act on the information or the news or indicators or moving averages. No, all this, you take it apart. So you use only the price and some information that they give you in order to do this. Okay, so I will announce when this training level, which should be training level 15. Just a summary. When the market is good, it means the whole market beginning to go up. You can use my going long strategy, which will help you make money. If the market, like, you have a big correction like last month or the other month, you should do what we call buying from the support line, because the first is buying from the resistance line. Now, I have made training with how to trade from support line, and this can be useful in swing trading when there is a big correction, or it can be used in day trading, because day trading, when you begin to see day trading, it's always have what we call support line. The stock begins going down, and then after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it stops, and then it go up for the whole day. Okay, this is it means how to use the support line. And a lot of people who ordered my training level about how to buy from support line, they get some success, and they send me some emails about that, because it's just you check just the price and put lines, and then you follow them. It's not a big deal. It's not complicated. It's always simple. That's why all the guys who get my training, they will find a big difference, and it's clear. Okay, it's simple and clear. It means you don't have to know a lot. Okay, even if you are a beginner and you have never traded before, when you begin using my training levels, you will see that there is a big difference between what I suggest and what other people online are suggesting. Okay, so because if you begin to rely on moving averages, indicators, believe me, you will never stop. Okay, indicators, we have more than 300 indicators. Which one do you begin with? You begin with one and you trade, and then you lose money. Then you second one, third, fourth, fifth, and then you get fed up, and then you stop them all. Okay, then you go and use simpler, like moving averages. Some people, they use this for investing for the long run. Okay, because any correction in the market, you see that the moving averages doesn't work anymore, and it's just in general thing. So try just to wait. I'm trying to preparing this level, and I will be testing it in real, it means to see if it's the same as my other strategies, but it's the same thing. It's just it is not that long. You don't stay 1 month or two or in the stock. You stay just a few days until you see that there is no money coming, and then you exit, and then you can go long and you can short sell the stock. Is the same thing in this strategy. So it's a very simple one. So please wait for the announcement, and I will announce when the training level is ready. And thank you very much. Please comment or thumb it up or subscribe if you don't. Tell your friends or post this in Facebook or wherever. And thank you very much and have a nice day.